Okay, let's have a look at this example. They've asked us to find the distance between the points 4, 1 and 1, 3 to start with. Okay, this is question A. Well, I've put them on the grid here so that we can see what's going on. So the question is asking us for the distance of that line. Yet again, we can form a right-angled triangle, and if we work out this distance and this distance, which is the y difference of the coordinates and the x difference of the coordinates, by Pythagoras we'll find the length of the sloping line here. We're going down from 1 all the way down to -3. So this distance is 4. And in x terms, we're going down from 4 to 1, which is a difference of 3. Well, the shortcut here is that this distance is 5, because we've got a 3, 4, 5 triangle, this being the right angle at the bottom of that right angle triangle. But let me do it for those of you who don't believe me. If we take 4 squared and we add 3 squared, and that will be equal to x squared, which is the side that we want to know the length of. Okay, 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9, and 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. If x squared is equal to 25, x must be equal to 5. I know when you take a square root, it's plus or minus 5. Do remember that. But because we're in a positive diagram and these are positive lengths, we can reject the negative solution to the square root. So there we are. Okay, here's part B. I've popped the 2 points on the grid again, and I think the first thing to do is, yes, form the right angle triangle from the 2 points. And here it is. So let's look at our vertical journey first. We're going down from 0 to -2, so this is a journey of 2. And our horizontal journey, well, that's fairly easy. We're going up from 3 to 4. This is a journey of 1. This is the length we don't know, and as it's a hypotenuse, let's call it h. So Pythagoras gave us the rule by which we can work out h, and he said that 2 squared plus 1 squared must equal h squared. So this becomes 4 plus 1 squared is 1, and that's equal to h squared. So therefore h squared equals 5, and therefore h equals the square root of 5. And that's your answer. Okay, let's have a look at C. Okay, we need to find the vertical and horizontal journeys. Vertically, we're going down from 6 to 4, so this is a journey of 2. Now our horizontal journey, they've got us into 0.5s now, but that's okay. We're climbing from 1 up to 2.5, so that's a journey of 1.5. Okay, let's give out the sloping line that we need to find the value of. Let's give it the value of h, and write down what Pythagoras told us. He said that h squared is equal to 2 squared plus 1.5 squared. Don't add these and then square, they're squared individually. Okay, this is equal to 4, and if you look 1.5 squared up on a calculator or do it longhand, you'll find it is 2.25. So we get this is equal to 6.25, and therefore h is equal to the square root of 6.25. And if you look that up on a calculator, you get the answer 2.5.